The following is a career-threatening match. Now, in this contest, should Ric Flair lose, he must retire. Introducing first, from San Antonio, Texas, weighing 227 pounds, the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels.
Shawn Michaels has found himself in one of the most unique situations of his magnificent and storied career. Shawn Michaels, just last night, said he was in the front row when Ric Flair was inducted into the WWE Hall of Fame. And as many of us were, tears were flowing down the face of the Heartbreak Kid. What Shawn Michaels is challenged to do tonight may certainly give new meaning to the marketing term of Heartbreak Kid. It is Mr. WrestleMania that Ric Flair wanted here tonight. And I will assure you, ladies and gentlemen, that it is Mr. WrestleMania that the Nature Boy will get.
And approaching the ring, from Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing 234 pounds, the Nature Boy, Ric Flair.
Well, no one has style, no one has profile quite like that man. Look throughout this huge crowd at all the woos you're going to hear and see tonight. There's just absolutely never been anyone quite like Ric Flair. Has there?
Absolutely not. And there never will be again. What an amazing environment. A larger-than-life spectacle that I wish you all, wherever you may be, could be here tonight and feel what we are feeling right now.
And over the years, nobody has done the pomp and the pageantry as well as Ric Flair.
Thousands upon thousands of fans have traveled from around the world, are standing on their feet in respect of Ric Flair and his quest to continue his storied career.
There it is! Vintage Flair! Vintage Nature Boy!
I cannot express what a tremendous honor it is to call this match. Ric Flair versus Shawn Michaels, with Ric Flair's career on the line. If Ric Flair loses here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, the Nate must retire.
You know, JR, this started a long, long time ago when Mr. McMahon decreed that the next match Ric Flair lost would be his last.
And let's not forget, it was Flair who challenged HBK. Flair even said that it would be an honor to be retired by Shawn Michaels.
What an emotional moment for both these men. Ric Flair, a 16-time world champion, putting his career on the line against Mr. WrestleMania himself, the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels. Oh man, paintbrushed. Veteran reversal by Shawn Michaels. No! Oh, no! He's going to take another chance.
Oh! The Nature Boy's career has been in serious peril for months now, but never so much as tonight, up against a fellow legend in Shawn Michaels.
I don't think anyone can argue HBK and Flair's abilities and careers. It must be heart-wrenching for HBK to know that winning at WrestleMania tonight means Ric Flair will never compete again. Oh, that elbow's gotta hurt. 2. Shawn's going to the top. Oh, no!
1, 2. And he turns the tide.
Oh, do you hear that? Man, I felt those reverse knife edge chops, and they are brutal. 4. Back into the ring now. Ah! Whoa, whoa!
1, 2.
Shawn Michaels looks to be in no man's land.
3.
Oh, no! Was that a 2?
4.
Oh, what an amazing setting.
Wait a minute.
Folks, if Ric Flair is the greatest of all time, how can one argue that Shawn Michaels isn't 1A?
Back into the ring now. He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now.
6. And here we go. Back into the ring. And he came down hard from that back.
There's the cover.
That'll be it.
I think he's finished.
And that wild attack, classic Shawn Michaels. He knows how to get you in his clutches and make things impossible to get out of. And there's another one.
We know what this is.
What a move by Flair. You got him, Rick. Now you got to pin him. Here's the pin. Tremendous height on the backdrop.
There's softening him up.
The emotional aspect of this match must be weighing mighty heavy on Shawn Michaels' mind.
Well, this is what Ric Flair wanted. He wanted Mr. WrestleMania, and he got him. And it just might cost him his career.
If there was any individual that could stand toe-to-toe with the Nature Boy to take all the punishment that he...
Look at these fans, JR. They're on their feet. They're clapping. And I think they're clapping for both of these superstars.
The look on Shawn Michaels' face tells the entire story.
Well, desperate men do desperate things.
The Nature Boy, making it to his feet, says, "Bring it on." Flair's not finished yet.
Flair wants to fight. Watch it.
Vintage Heartbreak Kid. Uh-oh. Michaels sees the opportunity. There's no doubt he's going to need an ice pack in the locker room tonight.
Oh, look at the emotion. Whoa, look out. He's trying to turn this around. He's got him up.
And just like that, it's on again. Never say die.
Heads up. Uh-oh, look out.
Seen that one before. Let me tell you, better him than me. He's got his shoulders planted to the mat.
The Heartbreak Kid wins.
Here is your winner, the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels.
Shawn Michaels hesitated and contemplated, but he had to do what he came to do. Michaels did exactly what Ric Flair demanded. The very best of Mr. WrestleMania. You have to wonder what's hurting Shawn Michaels the most, his broken ribs or his broken heart.
JR, we saw it. It was what Ric Flair wanted Shawn to do. Flair gamely came to his feet and said, "Come on, give it to me."
Over 70,000 fans pay their respects to the greatest competitor that has ever laced a pair of boots.